Here's the filament that we're going to set up. It's a small filament and it fits upon my hand, but so far it's been working very good. I'm actually taking out the old one and setting up the new one, so we're going to set this up. The only problem is it's a little small. So in the pictures they look big, but they're really small. They give you multiple colors. So let's go ahead and set this one up and print something out. Alright, so I printed this out. It's pretty much a Homer Simpson base for your cup. So you can put your cup on top of it. So this actually was a little bit halfway of the actual filament. So I used the yellow for that. It's small. The filament's small, so this is half of the use. So next time I'm just going to buy the whole kilogram instead of half of the kilogram. So hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.